In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully close and relaunch Steam on Windows. If Steam feels stuck, games won't start, or updates won't apply, doing a clean exit and opening it again often fixes the issue. We'll move slowly and keep things simple. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. Click the small arrow icon to expand the hidden icons. This is sometimes called the system tray, and it's where Steam runs quietly in the background. Look for the Steam icon, click it, and choose Exit. This tells Steam to shut down completely rather than just minimizing to the tray. Give it a moment to finish closing, especially if it was downloading or syncing cloud saves. Next, right-click anywhere on the taskbar, the bar that runs along the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Task Manager. It might take a few seconds to open, so wait for it to load fully. If it opens in a compact view, that's okay, just let it finish loading so the list of running apps is accurate. Now we'll double check that Steam is fully shut down. In Task Manager, look through the processes list for anything named Steam, such as Steam or Steam Client Bootstrapper. If you don't see it, that means the exit worked and Steam is no longer running. If you do still see it, give it a bit more time to close, especially if your system is under heavy load. Once the Steam entries disappear, you're good to go. With Steam fully closed, try to launch it again using your usual method, like your desktop shortcut or the start menu. When it opens, sign in if prompted and let it settle for a moment while it reconnects and checks for updates. This clean restart often resolves minor glitches, refreshes your connection to Steam services, and makes sure your game library and downloads are in sync. That's all there is to it. Expand the tray, exit Steam, open Task Manager, and wait for it to load, confirm Steam is gone, and then launch it again. Follow these steps anytime Steam acts up, and you'll be back to gaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough